Pi AI Assistant. Do you ever feel like your digital assistants are cold, robotic, and more focused on tasks than on you as a person? What if you needed comfort instead of a calendar reminder? That's where Pi AI, developed by Inflection AI, comes in, and it's changing how people think about artificial intelligence. Unlike assistants that just set alarms or manage schedules, Pi AI focuses on something most tech tools ignore: emotional connection. It's built to actually talk with you, listen to your thoughts, and respond with empathy. With Pi, you're not just chatting with a machine. You're speaking with an AI that feels conversational, supportive, and human-like. One of its most unique features is two-way voice interaction. Whether you're on the web, iOS, or Android, you can hold natural spoken conversations that sound calm and human. Imagine having someone to talk to when you feel stressed, lonely, or just need to share an idea. That's what Pi delivers. Of course, Pi isn't perfect. It doesn't handle task automation, can't manage your calendar, and doesn't keep memory beyond your current chat. Plus, it requires internet access at all times. But that's because Pi was never designed to be a productivity robot. It's designed to be your companion. You can use Pi daily for creative brainstorming, practicing languages, casual conversations, or simply having a supportive presence in your pocket. Its multilingual support and privacy-first design make a safe and reliable space for anyone looking for connection in the digital world. So, if you've ever wished technology could feel less mechanical and more human, Pi AI might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Try it out today and see how different an AI can feel when it's built to truly understand you.